Hey, what's up bros, it's Fonte here. I hope everyone's doing well. The Huawei P40 Pro is a beautiful phone with great specs and a very powerful camera, but it would only take you a few minutes to realize that there's something odd with this phone. There is no Google Maps, no Google Play Store and no Gmail. The apps and services I use from Google are problematic to replace. I'm a YouTuber and a tech reviewer in my country, and I don't use Gmail as my personal and business email solution. And that's a big problem on the HMS, aka Huawei Mobile Services, the company's alternative to Google Play Services. The notifications never show up. The Huawei email client is pretty useless here, and the same thing is with Outlook. But there is one app through which the notifications show up every time and perfect. And that's the official Bluemail app. It's for free and you can download the app from Huawei App Gallery. So, if you are a hardcore Gmail user and the push notifications for incoming emails are important for you, this is a simple solution how to replace the original Google app. Just use Bluemail. By the way, I'm truly amazed how much you are watching my videos and I'm getting a lot of good feedback. So thanks for everything that you guys are doing, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Stay safe!